is I, Chris. I'm going to do a review on a very hot item. I think if you haven't had this, you're gonna want to run out and get it. That's my prediction. It's a Safeway Signature Select Chicken Wings. Honey BBQ glazed. It's got a glaze on it. It's in the bag and it's on the wings. Pros about these wings is they're fully cooked. You heat it and you eat it. That's all, folks, and it's ready to go. It's 100% natural. The chickens are raised with no growth promoting. And another pro, it's resealable bag. You don't have to eat the whole thing in one setting, but why wouldn't you? I'm going to. And yeah. I don't know how much time I have left, so I'm gonna try to cook these and eat these. I'm not well. I'm not okay. Give me, God, just one more day to rate these chicken wings. Frozen, fully cooked honey barbecue glazed wings typically pair best with a White Claw Surge, cranberry or blood orange would be acceptable. It's gotta be Surge though. Anything less is just too pedestrian. So, pack of Parliaments doesn't hurt. You don't have to even smoke them. You could just kind of smell it. Just open up, take a big whiff. We take the wing, just go, wow, get the meat off the bone. So, yeah. So, look, I'm just gonna, I wanna go put those in the oven. I gotta cook them first because you can't eat them cold out of the bag. I know. I've done that before, and I'm sure you have too. And we all know what happens. You get sick. You get the diarrhea if you do that. So you can't do that. You can't just eat them frozen. You have to cook them. I won't have one of them frozen. Not even one. Not one. I'm gonna cook them. Okay, bye. I'm gonna put them in the oven. Bye. So you're gonna wanna cook these, y'all, at about 425 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. You're gonna wanna grease your pan, or you can put down foil and grease that foil on the pan. Either way will be just fine. Alright, now we're gonna put these motherfuckers on a plate. They could probably be crispier, but you know. And that's all there is to it. Now you got wings on a plate. You're ready to eat. Don't hesitate, y'all. Alright guys, here I am with the plate of wings, the full bag. I cooked them 425 degrees for about 40 minutes. Oh. Alright. Got my hat in the shame position to hide my face a little bit while I eat. I want you to see my eyes. I don't want you to see the look that comes over my face when I eat these wings. Pretty good. I'm gonna need to further test. So I'm just gonna fast track this shit. Here we go. So, I ate all of those wings. Now I kind of wish I was dead. So, 5 out of 5 stars.